Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today is 10th of October 2020 and I am Farhan Ali. So Australia is making some changes in its immigration laws. There is a bill in the parliament right now which will be enable the government to impose an extra burden on the immigrations. Yes, the partners of those who are already residing, the foreigners who are already residing in Australia would be asked to conduct English proficiency test of their partners, and it will also impose on the people who are immigrating to the Australia. So according to the Prime Minister of Australia, it's an important step to integrate everybody who is migrating to the Australian society, and calling the English is the must. So the critics have mixed argument about it. Some call it a racist act, where it would further corners the non-Western countries. Some call it the labor opposition, for example, says it will push back Australia to 1950s. What we think is it is actually an extra burden over the people, and we believe that the immigration laws around the world would be made easier, rather making it further strict, so people can move around the God created world. So with it, we will move forward to our next topic. So the next topic we will be covering from US. As we all know, the US presidential election is coming up, and India, who is one of the largest country by population in the world, and obviously it has a big footprint of Indian Americans residing in the US. So what's going on? If you guys remember, Mr. Modi has visited US past year, and we saw a video where he is walking with Donald Trump hand to hand and romancing. So the Indians there in a large population have started a social media campaign, sharing the video and calling Mr. Trump as God sent angel kind of a character to Indian Americans. Keep this in mind that historically Indian Americans are much tilted towards the Democrats than the party of the one Mr. Trump represents. So the efforts are being made. There has been a social media campaign running out right now by the one Indian American part. But and what are how we see it? We see it like there has been an understanding between Modi and Trump over the Kashmir, that I help you out with the Indian American votes, and you help me out with the Indian occupied Kashmir. So the BBC states that for India, Kashmir is just like Jerusalem for Israelis, and they want to capture it by force, obviously. So to balance it out, there is another character by the name of Kamala Harris, who is a senator, Democrat senator. She has roots to India, as her mother migrated from India, and during her speeches she does mention her mother and her connection to India. And there is a large number of Indian American people who follows her quite closely. We take an example of just this past month of September, where she fundraised for Mr. Biden, who is also the American presidential candidate, and the target was $1.3 million to be collected, but guess what, she was able to fetch out some $3.3 million. So this will balance out the case of electoral poll of Indian American communities and definitely Modi won't be able to fetch a lot for Mr. Trump. So with it, we leave you guys and hope you liked our video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.